Hello everyone, this is Noah with Save Green here, and today we're going to go over the Xiaomi plug. This is a 45 watt turbo power plug, and it charges your devices incredibly fast. Again, it's 45 watts, so if you start comparing the wattage that you would get off your cell phone charger, even fast charging devices like the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL, you will notice a considerable difference with this guy right here. And I did get it on Amazon, and I am trying it out for a while. So again, it's a 45 watt turbo power plug. A lot of people have never heard anything like that, but would it work for just phones? No, it will work for your MacBook 2515 or later, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, Pixel XL, Pixel 2 XL. It'll even work on the Nintendo Switch, GoPro, Hero 5 or 6, Fusion, Dell XPS 13, HP Spectra 360 13, ThinkPad 13, ThinkPad Carbon 5th generation, Samsung 8, S8 and earlier, LG Moto HTC. Now, if you look where it actually connects, you do need a charger cable, which comes with it when you buy it. And on the other end, of course, it's USB Type-C on both ends. Now, if you wanted to charge your iOS device, let's say you wanted to charge your iPad, iPhone, whatnot, you would get on Amazon, they do have a USB-C on one end, and then your Lightning on the other end, so you'll be able to charge it that way. Now, you will see here on the box that it is a USB-C port, and right on there it's telling you for iOS and Android, and it's got a smart power management, and we'll talk about that in just a few here as well. But what does it mean? What is a 45 watt? How much power? How quick can you charge devices? Well, for example, if you have a 2017 MacBook, it'll charge the entire MacBook in under 2 hours. And as an adequate substitute for OEM power adapters like those from Apple, Google, Nintendo, and the GoPro, the PowerPlug Turbo has a 45 watt power rating like we mentioned. And this is the ideal fast charging power, or the power brick, that you want to have for newer Apple MacBook, Google Pixelbook notebooks even, and your Nintendo Switch, and even your GoPro cameras as well. Now, it is lightweight and easy to hold. And if you do want to store it, as you can see, the pins are inside. But when you're ready to use, just pop the pins out just like so, and connect your USB Type-C on one end. And then if you have a USB Type-C device, just connect it that way. But if you don't, again, you can buy it on Amazon, where the USB Type-C will go on this side, and then the other end will go into your iOS device. So it'll be Lightning on the other side. So the PowerPlug Turbo is designed also to prevent overheating, overcharging, short-circuiting, any type of dangerous electrical discharge. We've heard in the news that there are cheap chargers out there that are overheating in hotel rooms, actually catching fire. And this is an exclusive mobile power accessory supplier to Xiaomi, which you've probably heard. And they also go by Xiaomi's philosophy of developing products that represent cutting-edge technologies, superb design, and fine workmanship to everyone. So I do urge you to, if you're looking for a alternative charger than the OEM one that you got, or if you bought a device and the seller did not include the OEM charger, go ahead and buy yourself a good quality charger. Don't buy the cheap Chinese or Japanese knockoffs that you see out there. Those things will overheat, and you're asking for nothing but trouble. Who knows what it's doing to your expensive investment also, if it's a MacBook or a Pixelbook or an expensive cell phone. It could be like the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 10, or even the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 3 that's coming out. This is going to be a much better alternative, and for what it costs, it's a much better investment than sacrificing and buying something really cheap. So go ahead and get yourself a good one. What I'll do is I will post a link down at the bottom where you can get it, and also where you can get your USB Type-C to Lightning cable. So you can therefore connect it to your iOS device. This came in the box that you see here, so it does come with the cable. Now, if you have a Type-C device like the Pixel phone or the Pixel 2, then you're good. You're all set. But if you have iOS, you're going to have to invest in a cable that will take your USB-C on one side and Lightning on the other. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Thank you for watching.